Hi there, I'm Peter Millard, and in this quick tip I found another use for the Benchdog Super Quad Dog with B collar. That's coming up next. You know, since I've had these Benchdog Super Quad Dogs with the B collar, I keep finding more uses for them. I'm just using my old sort of router jig to trim the lipping off some shells right now. And because of obviously the extended base of it, it doesn't sit happily on a bench. It sort of tips over, and because it's an old router, it doesn't have a rapid stop. It's sort of fairly leisurely when it comes to sort of winding itself down. So you end up sort of with shorter shells like these. I need to sort of change the clamp position on it. And what I found is that actually with a Super Quad Dog with a collar on it, I can just park the base plate, that extended base plate, just under the collar, and it holds it just enough at a slight angle, but off the bench, for it to just sort of wind itself down while I get on with other things, whether that's changing the position of the clamp on the shelf or just changing the shelf out to the next one in the stack. It's a really useful, simple little addition which I wouldn't have thought of. So yeah, I'm constantly finding new uses for this, and I'll report back to you guys whenever I come up with anything new. But that's it for this quick tip. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.